real, dude. A lot of cars here, huh? Check out this Cadillac.
Airbags.
'69 Cadillac. '68.
He was a short. He didn't want to go in for recess. Have you heard of that Love Jam concert?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's gonna be in it, dude?
Icy Brothers, Atlantic Star.
Are you going?
Yeah.
You get your tickets already? Huh? Did you get your tickets already?
Not yet.
Oh man. Let's go, man. I'll ask my girl if she wants to go, and if she don't.
Thank you to everybody for coming today. A big thank you for everybody coming out. Thank you, vendors, solo riders.
Cause Andy.
What do you think of that? You like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's my cousin Becky. It's her car. So is this one over here. They're both hers. Not Andy. Andy just gets to drive it whenever she says he has permission. Nothing, he's talking shit. Sweet. I wonder what excuse Rich is gonna have why he didn't show up.
You're going too
He
fast.
should have been here already. Who's that?
You. Slow down.
All right, dude. Check out this Nova. Somebody been polishing up some chrome. Damn. AC compressor. What is that? Clean. That's clean, man.
Yeah.
You've been polishing that shit up.
Yeah. She says she doesn't wash it.
Nah, he's lying. Well, you know, it keeps it inside, like in the. I haven't washed my vet since I bought it, man.
Yeah.
Photo shoot. What up? Days here. There he is, I see it. This is Dave Cardenas' car. I don't know why I like these balls here. I really like the balls. He's an OG. He's OG. Finally put some spokes on. Nice. Sweet. Nice car, Dave. Proud of you, man. You deserve it. Sweet. Who's this, your buddy? There he is over there. I'm gonna get him. He's over there talking shit. See him with the beard? He better not have a beer in his hand. He's gonna get in trouble. He didn't see me. I got video to make. Shit. Talk to you later. Steve. that dude that owns that red car down there?
Yeah.
Years ago? 60 something.
Huh? He's over
He
there.
works at Honeywell.
Oh, really?
He could tell you some stories, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, back in the day, when he was on drugs and shit.
Oh, yeah.
Changed his life, dude.
Yeah. He doesn't do no more.
Born, he's Christian now.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. He did that early, you know.
Yeah.
Change when you're young. Like, don't be waiting till like too long. You'd be messed up.
You're not getting them all close up. They get out really early. This is spirit.
I like this like flake, metal flake. I like it. I don't know how they do that, but to me it looks hard. Oh, look at that. Steve, look at this dash, dude. Look at the dash and look at the engraving. That's a lot of work, man. Look at them big ass woofers.
Yeah.
You know that sounds good too, right? Where do we still need to go, man?
Huh?
Which way do I go now?
This way.
Start moving cards, setting it.
Steve, look at this mother. Got straps on it.
Look at this part.
I don't know how them tires held. That's a lot of pressure on him. Damn. Look at the back time. I'm gonna have to call Richard. Oh, the girl's calling.